Hello viewers, welcome to the Learners Nursing classes. Today I will be drawing the diagram of the abdomen in relation to the surgical structures. So first of all, whenever we have to draw the abdominal diagram, we have to follow certain principles. So let us start. So this is the way we will be drawing. This is called as anterior superior iliac spine, and this line drawn from one to another is called as transtubercular plane. This is the umbilicus and this is the transpyloric plane. Then we draw the vertical line so that we can, and this is the xiphisternum. Now coming to xiphisternum, just below that is the epigastric region. Then comes the left side, left hypochondriac region. Coming to the center, umbilical region. Coming to the left, lumbar region. This is the hypogastric region. This is the left iliac fossa or iliac region, right iliac region, and the right lumbar region, which will be having the organs behind them. This is the right hypochondriac region, which contain liver and gallbladder, etc. Which part of the abdomen locates where? Like right hypochondriac region इसको कहते हैं, left hypochondriac region इसको कहते हैं, lumbar region left and right ये है, epigastric ये. Then we have to know about the organs which are related to these parts. Like अगर कोई भी organ हमें locate करना है, तो वो कहाँ बिलोंग करेगा? लाइक हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियक में बिलोंग करेगा या लंबार रीजन में बिलोंग करेगा, सो दैट वी शुड नो दिस स्ट्रक्चर. वेन एवर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ दी सर्जिकल इंसिजन्स ऑल्सो, दिस स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव टू कीप इन आवर माइंड. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस. Coming to the right hypochondriac region, there will be liver, gallbladder, right kidney and the colon, small intestine. And duodenum can be there, like small intestine the part. Then coming to the epigastric region, just below the falciform there will be stomach, the part of liver and the adrenal glands will also be there. Coming to the left hypochondriac region, spleen is located there, the colon is located there, the left kidney is located there. Same way when we come to the right hypochondriac, gallbladder, liver, right colon, all these organs can be there, they are there. Umbilical region में there will be small intestine, and you know mostly small intestine में क्या होगा? Jejunum होगा, ileum होगा, and left lumbar region में descending colon होगा, and some part of the sigmoid colon also can be there, and the left kidney is there. So when the starting of the sigmoid, just beginning of the sigmoid. Now coming to the left iliac region, sigmoid colon will be there. Coming to hypogastric region, urinary bladder, sigmoid colon, and the female reproductive organs will be there, uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, etc. Coming to the right iliac region, cecum and appendix are the organs which are located there. Now if you see the kidneys, how ureter runs, this is the track of the ureter to run. If you see the structure of the kidney, it is like this. Now coming to the epigastric region, on that transpyloric line, the pancreas will be there, but it will be behind.